So I made this cooler for my GoPro Hero 8s. They were overheating a lot, but I live in a warmer climate, so it can be as high as 114 outside. But these things overheat on everybody, I think, if you're recording the HD. And I was using it for some time-lapse footage in my backyard, and these things were not even getting 30 minutes before they were overheating. So I designed this little ice pack for it that snaps on. I was trying to show this with some time on the thermal camera. But here you can see the camera and the empty container. And I'd got these gel beads I think I bought them on Amazon. It was only a couple of dollars. They're actually the little ones that those BB guns kind of shoot. So I wanted to get some glow-in-the-dark ones. I figured there could be some circumstances where you're recovering the camera at night and it might be a little easier to find if it's glowing. And then I basically just put these in water, let them swell up, then I strained them a little bit and filled this little container with them and stuck it in the freezer. I think it works pretty good. It does if you have the anti-motion on there and you're really waving the camera around. When it crops the image, you can see the frame of this a little bit. So that's something to keep in mind. But let me know if you have any interest in these things and I can make these files available. But thanks for watching.